Rising HIV cases have become a cause of serious concern in the state of Tripura. 28 years after the first case was registered in 1996, the state has seen the total number of infections grow to 828. 47 deaths have also been reported in that period. Dr. Samarpita Datta, also the project director of the Tripura State AIDS Control Society, cautioned that these numbers are just the tip of the iceberg, as the actual amount is likely to be higher because of undiagnosed cases. And what is more worrying is the fact that there is an alarming increase in cases between the age groups of 15 to 30 years old. 87% of the infected people fall under this age category. 12 students below the age of 15 have also been infected by the dreaded disease. Well, Dr. Datta said that while the number of annual HIV cases in Tripura was previously low, there has been a notable rise over the past 3 to 4 years, especially after the advent of COVID, with a current positivity rate of around 1% among those tested. She further added that currently there are around 8,000 known HIV positive individuals in Tripura. Meanwhile, B.K. Singh, headmaster of the Hindi High Secondary School in Agartala, emphasized the need for more inclusive and extensive awareness campaigns to combat the disease.
The present status in Tripura is also alarming because we are having a number of rise in the cases. And as you may know that HIV is one infection which occurs mostly in the high-risk groups because it is not transmitted by common routes of transmission, very common routes. So it has some special ways, some high-risk behaviors which help to transmit this infection. So in this scenario, I would like to point out that we have the injectable drug users which are on the rise in the state, and in view of this we are also having the rise in infectivity among these people. As you may see the positivity, we have made our analysis, and as of now we can say more than 87% of the people are in the age group from 15 to 30 years of age. We have more than 12 students, around 12 students who are of the age below 15 years. So it is actually percolating to the schools as well. So other than this, of course, college going students are also affected. Students, there are around 800 to 900 students, I would like. In this state, if you are talking about, it comes to around more than 8,000 around. District-wise distribution, West is on the rise, and even Dhalai district is on the rise. Death, as per record, it is 47. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. Many may still be there who have not been detected or registered in our program.
HIV/AIDS आज एक बहुत बड़ी गंभीर समस्या बन गई है। हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते, पूरा त्रिपुरा राज्य के लिए एक समस्या का विषय बना हुआ है HIV/AIDS। इसका कारण है कि ज़्यादा इस बीमारी से ग्रस्त 13 वर्ष से लेकर के 30 वर्ष की उम्र के बच्चे प्रभावित हो रहे हैं। इसको रोकने के लिए हम लोगों को पहले स्कूल कॉलेज से अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम करके इसको नीचे तक ले जाना चाहिए, जो कि समाज के प्रत्येक वर्ग के बच्चे समझें कि इस बीमारी का कितना दुर्व्यवहार होता है। इसको रोकने का एक ही मात्र है इस HIV/AIDS के बारे में जानकारी लेना और इसको कैसे हम रोक सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये ड्रग्स से बढ़ता है। ड्रग्स अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम त्रिपुरा सरकार ने सभी विद्यालय में लागू किए और इसको मनाया गया है।